Okay, the advanced flag class, this is where we really have a jump in the types of movement that you're going to see. They're less rooted just in straightforward fundamentals, and you're going to see some different things, especially with the way the flag travels through space in non-traditional manners, or in such a way that they have to carve through the air at angles that are not, say, straightforward to the audience, and so forth. You're also going to find that the performers are asked to be more independent in what they do. They really have to, everyone has to be very confident about their own ability as a performer. So it looks like we're set and ready to go. And at this time, I'd like to introduce the advanced flag class taught by Daniel Holland and assisted by Kayla Rudell and Kelly Taylor.
Come Out and Play by the Offspring should be in every pep band folder, and Tom Wallace did the arrangement.
And it was awesome. Very, very nice job. We have some awards as well for this class, and we're gathering our hardware up front here. Okay, looks like we're ready to go. For the advanced flag class, the most improved performer will go to Megan Chesney from Decula High School, which I believe is in Georgia. I know because Megan was in my specialty class yesterday. Most outstanding performer goes to Justin Wilkins from Grant High School. The Outstanding Attitude Award for this class goes to Danielle Pelkey from Plainfield East. Okay, and again, I apologize for any names that are butchered, but when you have a name like Kikta, you just get used to it after a while. So, most outstanding school. Looks like Charlotte High School. And most improved school, Lyons Township High School. And finally, the Golden Whistle Award goes to Kayla Brownbauer from Granite City High School. Good job. Another big round of applause for the advanced flag class. And this class may take a seat.